వన్ జరుపు ఓ ఇంకా రెడీ హ్యాండ్ తీసుకో ఫైవ్ ఫైవ్ సిక్స్ సెవెన్ గో డౌన్ పైకి డౌన్ కొట్టాలి సార్ వన్ టూ త్రీ ఫోర్ వన్ టూ త్రీ ఫోర్ five, five, six, seven, go. One, two, three, four, five. Right. Okay. Right cross here, hands to the right cross here, hands to the right. That are three here. Open the here. Five, six, seven, go. One, two, put cross. Let's cross and understand. Let's cross and understand. Let's just understand. Basement is there. Only minor roller. Same. In the middle of the hand. One, two, three, four. Right. Five, six, seven, go. One, two, three. Coming. And one last one. One. And one. One. Two. Five. Half. 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 One, two, three, four, five, six. Two to one. Only one, two, three. Okay, one. Five, six, seven, go. One, two, three, ready. Five, six, seven, go. One, two, three, four, five. Step there. Five setup there. Step right. Five, six, seven, go. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Right. Down is the number. Down is five, six, seven, go. One, two. Right. Five, six, seven, go. One, two, one. Second question, go. Five, six, seven, go. One, two, one, two. Coming. Right leg tip it up. Left hand this one. Hand go round. Do not side. Round, 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 round. Okay, leg go down. Movement down. One, two, one, two, ready. One, two, leg fight here, go. One, two, one, leg fight here. Leg down, leg go. Leg down, leg down. ఇట్లా ఇట్లా పెట్టి చేయడం కాదు. లెగ్లో పెట్టడం కదా. లెగ్లో పెట్టాలి. హ్యాండ్ తీసుకో. Ready? 5, 6, 7.